How to fix Instagram songs not showing. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up Instagram application in your mobile device and just like that, log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on your story button. Then take a quick picture or a video. After that, you can simply tap on the music icon and now search for any popular artist or song. If you notice that certain songs or artists are not showing up, it means your music library is restricted, and here's how you can fix it. Simply head back, then tap on your profile icon, tap on this three line icon, inside your scroll below, then you'll be able to find an option that says account type and tool. Tap onto it. Just like that, you can simply tap on account type, and if your account is on business or professional mode, you can simply switch it to personal. Now after you have switched it to personal, you can go back and then open your story or reel again, and you should see more artists, more tracks and trending sounds available. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.